give y'all a break.
That's crazy.
Bro, this is freaky.
I'll take it.
Do you have one too?
Yeah, I've got one too. Hey! What you doing in our car? Yo, did you get it, bro? You get it?
What are you supposed to do?
Did you get it? Did you do it, bro?
What's up, guys? Just got settled. It's very humid and sticky. I'll be sleeping on the outside of my sleeping bag tonight. Sick. One of us is the best blower. Already finished.
That's tough.
Yo, tell them where we're at, bro.
Oh yeah. What place is this?
Mountain Fork Brewery,
Mountain Fork.
Broken Bow, Oklahoma.
Mountain Fork. I got the
Okay.
Tubby Heat pizza.
The fat ass pizza, bro. Oh. About to house this stuff.
We're about to be so rich.
Let's go! Hey. Okay, bro. I see you. Yo, how much money we making tonight? How much money we making tonight, Brayden?
See that boy right
Making
there?
it right?
He piped up. See that girl right there? She piped up. Pipe it up. Pipe it up. Pipe it up. Pipe it
We have to leave tomorrow night.
Yeah.
I mean, I'd be okay with it.
All right, Joey, how do you feel, man? Negative $20
They
Harris.
didn't have blackjack, they didn't have real crack, and I still lost $20.
That's what you get for going to the movie theater casino.
Yeah. Apparently it's like I'm going in September.
No, I want to fish.
Little birds. Hey, guys. First fish, Joey caught a bass.
I'm going to show you how to fillet a largemouth bass.
Do we need to scale it? No, we don't. Dude, oh gosh, we're going to the stomach, bro. I'm scared. The fillet reveal.
It's gonna look nasty.
No, it's not. It's gonna be like,
Come on.
oh yeah.
Let's see it.
Oh, that's going right in the middle of the stomach. Is that all right?
I don't know. We'll see.
Oh! That was definitely the membrane we weren't supposed to break.
Oh, bruh.
These bugs going crazy. Oh,
Not
I mean, we're all right.
okay.
All right, what do we think?
It busted, bro.
Pause.
Is that
Did someone like pour
the
water on
stomach
my
right
hands?
there? Bro, why is this bee going crazy?
Maybe because there's blood.
What is that?
Okay, well, should we
Get away
throw
from my
it back in
fish.
the water?
No, we gotta throw it away.
Oh, geez.
Let's go. Yeah, I caught that.
I think since there's so much grease, we could flip it. Yeah. Here, nudge it into that corner. How did you just have like a heat-resistant glove laying around? It was in my car. I was like, this might come in handy.
Dude, that is so clutch, actually.
Yeah, boy. Yeah. Yeah. Where's my fork, bro? Braden. Oh, stop. Oh, shit.
Yeah, if I can make this quick, I'm still probably like 40 minutes out.
I love you, JT.
All right, cool.
I love you guys. I'll see you soon.
Yeah, boy. Let's go. We about to go crazy. Yeah. How much money we about to win, boy? $100. Yeah.
Let me get the door.
Get in there. Go.
everyone else. No, dude, Kevin.
Pre-Choctaw meal. Pre-Choctaw meal.
They're the good luck shoes.
Yeah, they are my gambling shoes.
Bro,
Dude, I was like, dude,
that caffeine pill has me tweaking, bro.
dude, I know you guys gave him some drugs because when he came outside to greet me, I was like, okay, bro, like I'm here.
Let's go! Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Get in there, get in there. Yeah.
Okay. Let's go! We're going to Choctaw, bitches! Choctaw, baby! Woo!
How much we making today, bro?
$500 fucking in my bank account. Smell that? That's winning.
Cigarettes.
Wait, Liam.
Everyone put your heads in.
Which one?
How much money are we fucking winning today, bro?
$500!
It may not mean nothing to
$500 in my bank account.
understand nothing was done for me, so I don't plan on stopping at all.
Yeah, I'm glad. Just spend it right now.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah. What? Let's go.
Last name ever, first name greatest. Like a sprained ankle, boy, ain't nothing to play with.